Like, I don't really understand who this lady is. Though that, guys, have you been seeing what is actually trending now on YouTube about this very particular lady? Now, I was just scrolling through my own feed yesterday and I saw a lot of videos, like people were just making video talking about this very particular lady, but then I didn't just feel like clicking the video to watch. And the same thing actually happened to me today. I was like, okay, because I've actually come across this lady channel some few months back when she was actually talking about her first pay on YouTube, how much YouTube paid, and that was like 1 month ago. And I just clicked to watch the video, but then I didn't subscribe to her channel. But when I now see people like talking about do dash this, do dash that, was like, okay. So let me even go back to the girl channel and check out her channel and see if there's anything I'm actually missing out. Say, you know, one thing about this life is that we love celebrating success, but we don't actually know what takes the person, like how long it took the person to get to that very point in time, right? Because a lot of person are just making video talking about this very girl, and I had to like go check the channel to see what it actually, like, to see if probably I'm missing something there. But I stumbled at the girl channel today and I saw a video that she made, and there is this one comment that she actually pinned on that video, and I'm going to read that out for you at the other side of my screen. Right, let me take you to my YouTube studio. Please, you can also do well to like check out the girl channel, right? So our content will actually inspire you. That's all I can say. All right, so let me even click here. This is actually the girl channel, and there's this one of our video that I actually clicked to watch this evening, and they sort of just, okay, say YouTube paid me, is this a joke? I can finally rest from working so hard, but that's not the main point. Okay, guys, I've seen the comment. Sorry about that. I've actually seen the comment. Look at what she said about this comment. Listen to me, please. Take YouTube seriously. By that, I don't mean to be super fancy nor buy all the best equipment. I mean this: be honest with where you are truly are in your life. Tell your subscribers the truth, not lies, not fabrications, or where you wish you were in life. Flat out be real. They are doing to find out anyway. Next, you need to master you. That means use your full personality to entertain people. Be your full self times 10. Hey, doesn't matter your niche, turn up who you are and have fun. If you are more about the numbers growing than you do about loving on your subscriber, then you won't grow or serve anyone properly. I said you won't grow nor serve anyone properly. Remember this: when you are not seeing the growth you desire, trying to go around any of what I'm typing here will be the result of your misery and pain of not growing. Lastly, be you. Be funny, be fun, be good, be energy, period. Love you all. And you can see that this comment that she actually made gives her 270 likes and 39 replies. And she posted this video 5 hours ago, and this video has over 5,000 views, over 1.2 thousand comments, and 759 comments. Okay, let's even go to the girl channel and let's even look at her channel, right? So I have to like come to the girl channel. If I check her video, guys, like, she did not even use a thumbnail for her video. She just say instant, like she just stay anywhere and film her video and put it out there, and she doesn't edit it. There's nothing like search engine optimization. If you click on any of her videos and you just like go to the description box, you'll not see anything like hashtag. This lady just keep on posting. But let's actually check back her channel. When I check this channel, I noticed that she created this channel since 2019, though I don't know if that was the time that she actually started putting content out there, because you can actually create a channel and that is not when you start putting your video, right? Before we actually talk about the success story of this woman and how everyone are actually making video based on how this woman have, like, based on how this woman have grown overnight on YouTube, let's check back from where she started from. Let's check back her old videos, right? So if I keep on scrolling down, you are going to see the lady video 4 years ago. She made a video and she has 263 views 4 years ago. If we still go back, this one, she has 1.2 thousand views, 305 views 4 years ago. But let's compare that to the current video that she actually has made now. You can see that this video that was actually showing you guys, she made it 5 hours ago, and this video has gotten over 5,000 views. And due to what I read to you guys in this video, what does that actually tells you? It's telling you that you need to be who you are. Afion, be yourself. Afitel Digital, be yourself. Don't try to be another person. Just have fun doing whatever thing you are doing. That thing that you know how to do the best, the most, put it out there and people are going to watch it. Even if you upload the video, you are not getting the views, you are not getting the subscribers, you don't still need to give up. All right, you don't need to give up on this YouTube street. Like, if you keep on watching this lady content, it's going to inspire you. You don't even need an expensive equipment to start filming a video. You don't need to do all those search engine, but though search engine optimization is actually good if you're actually doing a tutorial video like mine. Because a video just like she come and talk about herself, her life, where she goes, those kind of video, they don't actually need all these keyword, and keywords still matter, please don't get me wrong. But what I'm just trying to tell you is that you don't need to put editing into consideration, because if you check out this lady, she did not even edit her video the way I'm seeing it. She just film it and upload it the way it is, and people get to watch. And the moment she drops the video, like I watched a video on her like 1 month ago. She was at, I think, on 20,000 subscribers. Yeah, when she actually talked about how much YouTube paid her, she was at 20,000 subscribers. But today the lady is at 40 something thousand subscribers, because people are actually enjoying her content. So do not let anything stop you from putting that content out there. Today we are celebrating her success. Okay, what if she gave up? What if when she posted those videos and she didn't get the views, she actually deleted YouTube and she did not continue with uploading on YouTube? And who tells you that consistency doesn't work? Consistency still work. If you actually check this girl's channel, you notice that she posts almost every single day. And if you check some of her video, you see where she's talking about how she quits. I think the lady is over 40 or 40 years. She's actually talking about how she quits her job to focus on YouTube. And the money that YouTube is paying her is actually times 5 or times 2 of what she got in her job. Isn't that amazing? And she posts every day. Consistency is the key. Even if you are posting and you are seeing no one is seeing you, continue posting, so that, because if the algorithm actually wants to favor you, they will now see video that you have for them to actually pick it and push it out to more people. Okay, I think there's one verse of the Bible that says faith without work is dead. Faith without work is dead. If you are saying, oh God, please, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers, 500 subscribers, 200 subscribers, 300, and you have not been posting, is it a man that fell from heaven? It's not like that too. Imagine YouTube was to be your business, or imagine you own a shop. So you'll not be going to your shop to open your shop for people to actually know what you are selling. If you don't open your shops, make your shop looks like, sweep it, all those stuff like that. If you like, sell the most expensive, oh my God, sell the most beautiful hair, expensive hair, clothes, shoes. No one will come across your shop door or to even know what you are selling if actually you don't open your shop and make it known to people that this is what you're actually selling. So please, I just want this video to sound as an encouragement to you. If you have not created a YouTube channel, this is the high time for you to create that channel and start putting that video out there. Everything is the content. Just be your real self. Like this now, my channel have reached 300 subscribers, but I will not come and tell you that I reached 300 subscribers in 5 days. Well, I know that it took me more than 5 days to get it. So just be yourself, stay consistent. If you have not start creating content, start today. And if you haven't created a YouTube channel yet, you can watch my video. I did like 2 videos on that. You can watch it, start creating that channel today and put that video out there. I don't know how to edit. Who told you that you need to be pro in editing before you can actually start creating content? I'm shy, I'm a camera. Who told you that? All these things are excuses that you are just giving yourself. Learn from this lady. Please, you need to go and check out our channel. Check out our video. It's going to inspire you more than what I'm telling you right now. Learn from her. Let our content inspire you to start doing something. And trust me, you will come back to thank me later. So please do well to like this video, share, leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if actually this video has inspired you. And let me know if you are going to start putting that content out there or create that YouTube channel and start posting. And let me know the kind of niche you actually want to venture into, right? So most importantly, subscribe and share this video to get to as many persons that might need it right now, right? And turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I post a new video, right? Bye guys, I'm going to see you in my next video.